Hi, my name is Sheree Williams, and my current field placement is with a food pantry located in Camden, New Jersey. It's called Touch New Jersey, and it's a pretty popular pantry in the southern New Jersey region. As far as work, I am currently a mental health manager for a mental health and addictions program. Where we help people fighting addiction. We help them with housing, to find different resources, be it therapy, IOPs. Some of them are mandated from probation and parole, and they have to attend a program like mine to pretty much stay clean and tend to their needs for remaining drug-free. Let's see. What do I hope to get out of this course? What I hope to get out of this course is, I guess, a better understanding of trauma and its effects on our daily lives. And let me see. I guess ways to cope with it, and self-care, ways to kind of take care of yourself when you've been through traumatic situations. Why do you think studying trauma is relevant to my future career? Well, studying trauma is very relevant to my future career because I hope to one day run my own group home for at-risk youth, and I would like to offer intensive case management and also intensive therapy. I don't want to be in the habit of placing, how would I say, Band-Aids on bullet wounds. I really want to help them get to the core of their trauma and face it and deal with their issues so that they live healthy, successful lives and thrive, and I guess not let their traumas consume them. What else? 3 ways I will take care of myself this semester. Well, that won't be hard because I practice self-care quite often because I've been in the social work field 10 plus years. So what I like to do for self-care, different ways I take care of myself. I love getting pedicures and getting my nails done. I also enjoy getting full body massages, facials done. I love girl time. That really soothes me. And I also enjoy meditating where I can just kind of get quiet, peace and quiet, center myself, reflect on things. It also helps me release negative energy and bring in all the good energy. I like to get my sage, and I sage my house, and I just welcome all that good energy in and chase all that bad energy out. So yeah, pedicures, massages, and meditation, some of my favorite. But I look forward to this course, and I'm really excited about all the things we're going to do and the things we're all going to learn. So that's it. Bye.